Hello, my name is Tim Marris. I qualified as an osteopath in 1978 after a 4-year full-time study at the British School of Osteopathy in London. I was taught the osteopathy in the cranial field approach to treatment by Rollin Becker, his brother Alan Becker, Anne Wales and Robert Fulford, all of whom were direct students and pupils of Williama Garnera Sutherlanda, who was the originator who developed the osteopathy in the cranial field approach. I've been teaching the osteopathy in the cranial field approach since 1982 at postgraduate level, and I now teach it in Russia, Germany, Switzerland, the UK and Argentina. And I will be teaching the osteopathy in the cranial field modules at the Still Academy in Warsaw. I very much look forward to meeting my students at the Still Academy and will look forward to take them on a very exciting osteopathic journey as their learning and skills progress.